Welcome to Daddy Jack's Go With The Blues. So, had another 4 a.m. epiphany. A key lime white chocolate bread pudding. So here we go. We started off with some cream, about a 3/4 of a quart. But you know, I'm going to make 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So, but here's the kicker. Crazy. I went to the grocery store and no white chocolate. So they forced me to buy these lids. And all a million other kinds of chocolate, but no white chocolate. No, it was like that Ghirardelli. So I'm gonna melt these down here. These are delicious, by the way. Boy, breaks my heart that you throw them in and melt them down. So, probably could have done this earlier, Glenn, huh?
That's all right. Pre-production wasn't
real time, anyway. We got the real Nelly and Joe's Key West key lime juice. It's the only way to go. Get that at most grocery stores anyway. And see, that almost should be enough. Okay. So we'll go over here to our cups. I just to save time, we started off with free butter and sugar coat the outside of them. Okay. So while that cream is going, we'll do maybe 2 more. Save a few for later. Tonight, watching The Orange Is Black. And I just started watching that. I mean, I watched it years ago. I couldn't get past the first, few episodes. They're right over there. See? The band's here. So anyway, we're gonna melt that down. Then the recipe calls for 10 eggs. 10 eggs. I know a baker could crack, a pastry chef could crack 4 eggs at a time. Unbelievable. I'll get it. He used his feet. I don't know. 3, 6. They're good sized eggs. 8. Okay, we're not going any baker's dozen either. Here, we're going with 10. And 2 cups of sugar. We'll go a little bit less because that white chocolate's pretty sweet. You know, white chocolate's not real chocolate. I know that they might put a little bit of cocoa butter in it, but it's not. Get that going. Make sure everything's incorporated real good. That's going to be down the road there, Glenn. We're doing a little sausage and peppers. We're actually doing a Philly steak later on. And we'll do the Orsini sausage with broccoli rabe. So, but here we go. So, what's up, Metal? So, these are melting pretty quick. Already melted down. So you watch when we had the key lime, what it does. It kind of cooks. It kind of cooks the egg. not gonna use like a half a bottle. You could use, you could use lime, have lemon juice if you want to squeeze fresh, but nothing like Nelly and Joe's. Okay. Add a little bit of time to temper the eggs, so we don't cook the eggs. Look at that nice custard right there. Now you can take that and pour it in the custard dish with a little water bath. You'd have a killer key lime white chocolate custard. And then we check the sweetness here. Oh man, killer. Really good. Got a little tartness, got a little sweetness. Sounds like my high school sweetheart. All right. See, just enough so you don't sog out the bread, but let it absorb. That's good right there. Then we'll pour the balance over the top. See, on the chocolate bread pudding, I did an espresso chocolate bread pudding. The spoon was too big. Work with a little bit smaller spoon. That's probably a good portion size right there. We don't want to really fill it up. See that? See, Glenn? And we'll be right back. What do you think, Glenn? All right, Glenn, what do you think? We'll finish these off?
Got it.
Okay, so we had one shorty here. That's what we'll eat. More like the custard over the top. Always, don't go crazy in the beginning. Make sure you got enough to hit. Moisten some of them. This here is a winner, I'm telling you. This is one of those deals, I don't know, the mystery of why we come up with this stuff is the beautiful thing. But this is how, whatever your mind can imagine is, cooking is limitless. There we go. And she goes. About three and a quarter. Let's say about 25 minutes. And we'll be back. All right, we're back. Daddy Jack's Go With The Blues here. We're back with our, listen to this, man. Key lime white chocolate bread pudding. You want to try it?
Oh, yeah.
All right, grab me one of those medium plates. Let's check it out here. Woo! Oh, Lord. See how they rose up a little bit? That's perfect. When you get a little bit of glaze on top. Oh yeah. Woo! Dang it. Put a little right, Ben. It's gonna be super hot, so I'm gonna warn you. Yeah. Probably should let it cool off a little bit.
Yeah.
That's like. I don't know. It's you showed me something that's not one before this one, but I think it's a creation. It's everything you get in a key lime pie, flavor-wise. Oh man. It's so cool when you envision the flavor of something and then you can produce it and kind of get the desired results. Doesn't always happen, but when it does, it's very satisfying. All right, Ben, it's all yours, bud.
All right, man.
Ben is my cleanup man right here.
I
You kidding me? Hey, never turn me down for a taste. I need a taste tester. Ben is here. He is on point, brother.
It's good
You
stuff.
got the best
man.
wardrobe too, man. You got some serious. So how many pairs of sneakers you got?
I just got a new pair.
Yeah.
It's on the way. My mom's gonna kill me.
All right, Dad Jack's Go With The Blues. Ben Peltier on camera. New London, Deepwater Port, come visit. Amtrak, ferry boats, right between New York and Boston. 2 hours, an hour and a half in New York, 2 hours Boston, Providence. Peace.